Hey guys, I'm back and I went shopping again. I know. I don't shop all the time. It's just, I just went and had coffee with my mom and dad this morning, and my mom,
the wee beast,
she told me about a scrapbooking shop that was going out of business, and she said, you gotta go because they've got all this stuff, like paper cutters and paper that is really cheap. So we went. Because I've been looking for a paper cutter. I've wanted one of those like guillotine style paper cutters. They didn't have one of those. Well, they did, but she wasn't sure if the lady was actually selling it. So she took my name and number. But I got this little cutter, and it was $5, 40% off. I mean, come on. And then this little one was also $5, 40% off. Those are going to be so handy so that I'm not always cutting my little jaggedy lines. And then of course I got a few pieces of scrapbook paper because I haven't been wanting to get like an entire fall scrapbook paper pack because I just don't want that much fall themed paper, but they had some, so I got a few pages because they were all 40% off. So it was like added up to nothing. This is a cute one. And then the back is also cute. Sorry, it's super sunny. And then I did want a Halloween, but it was the same with Halloween. I didn't want a whole Halloween pack because I'm not the kind of person that's like, October is the month of Halloween. I just like to celebrate it that week and then it's over. If you love Halloween that much, like, go for it. I love it too, but not all month. But this is so cute. They're little potion bottles, adorable. And then the other side has these cute little things. Just picturing it in my notebook, loving it. And then I just thought this sheet was really cute. Friends don't let friends do stupid things alone. Yep. The little bikes and the cameras. And then this side. So yeah, that's thought those were cute. And then I loved this pack of Halloween stickers because they weren't like stupid Halloween. They're cute Halloween. $2.99, 40% off, I think. I just thought they were adorable. And then, almost done, I got a box of Paperclips. They were selling everything that wasn't nailed down, so those were like 20 cents or something. I got this coffee cup stamp. And it's little. It's a little teeny thing, so I thought it'd be perfect. Like you can see it compared to my hand. It's tiny. It'd be perfect for my traveler's notebook because I go and have coffee all the time. And then this little thought bubble stamp I thought was adorable. And it was like 75 cents, 40% off. So, like I said, I was not burning down the house with my spending. And then these little things I'm obsessed with. These are little weather stamps. And I've been looking for little weather stamps, but they're tiny. That's the thing, is like, look at them compared to my pinky. They're little tiny ones, so it'll be perfect for my traveler's notebook. So I can still record the weather. I'm so excited. And then these I got because
oh, they're the cutest goddamn things that you've ever seen. So
they're by Doodlebug Design Inc. Doodle Pops cardstock stickers. And I thought they would make the cutest paper clips, like decorative stuff in my planner that you've ever seen. This little typewriter with the smiling sheet of paper. God, it's so cute. And then this one, it's a smiling Pop-Tart. I can't, you guys. It's so cute. So I don't know if those are just gonna go, like, become paper clips or become decorations stuck in my traveler's notebook somewhere that just makes me happy. That was it. That was it. That was what I bought, and it's all my mom's fault. I blame it. I blame her. And she also bought some stuff for card making because she has apparently got into making greeting cards. So, all right, that was fun, and I'm excited. So I hope you enjoyed these things, and if you liked them, and you want to know where anything else is from, then just let me know. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you later with some more fun things. Bye.